Hello and welcome back, viewers, to another wonderful episode on the Great Indian Brand Show. And I'm really excited for this one. क्योंकि इस episode के होने का मतलब, you know what it is, for me especially, that we as a production house, as a, um, as a team, the Great Indian Brand Show, हमारा जो सपना था, the desire that we had, the dream that we had, we are on the right track and it gets all validated today. I mean, it validated, vindicated, or whatever you say, but it gets approved today because this is what it is all about. मैंने हमेशा से बोला है कि the entrepreneurs are the backbone of the country, and one of the long standing dreams, if somebody ever asked me, मतलब मेरे से कई लोगों ने पूछा तो मैं बोलता था, जिस दिन हमारी कंट्री में स्कूल्स में 12-13 साल के बच्चों को entrepreneurship सिखाना शुरू कर दिया जाएगा as a subject, that day the dream will be fulfilled, because we can be the country with the biggest, largest amount of entrepreneurs and the most successful entrepreneurs in the world, and to bring that to fruition, मतलब कि मैं वो किस basis पे कह रहा हूँ, because I have a standing proof. The youngest guest ever who has ever been on our show is here with us today. She is a dynamite and a powerhouse and a person of tremendous willpower. I know her personally because I have seen her life change right from when she was almost, I think, 6 years old. And today, as she sits amidst, blossoming in her youth, Arunima Jain is now a tarot card reader and a consultant on so many areas for so many people, having her own Instagram channel and having taken the entrepreneurship journey in spite of so many challenges that she has had to face, कि कोई भी इंसान उस केस में टूट के बिखरता ही नहीं, खत्म भी हो जाता. But she has pulled through all and she has come out flying, and today people consult her for this thing, and it is such an amazing thing when you see your own children grow up to do something like that. She's a very dear friend's daughter, and I said that she must be on the show. We were planning this 2 years ago. मैंने कहा नहीं, होने दो, time होने दो. Let me see क्या हो रहा है, क्या नहीं हो रहा है. No, your mommy told me. मैंने कहा अभी आने दो, समय आएगा. कहती I really want it. मैंने कहा जब आएगा समय मैं बताऊंगा. And today, in our 5th season, as we enter number 5, which is a very dear number for me, as our last guest had told me, 5 को अपने पास रखो. So in the 5th season, we have Arunima Jain, and I'm very happy for her. Arunima Jain, the tarot card reader, tarot magician, AJ, if I'm not wrong, right?
Correct.
Yeah, wonderful. Welcome, Arunima. Thank you so much for giving time to your precious uncle. I have made myself precious for you already.
Thank you for having me.
No, it was time that you had to be here, and this is actually a platform for people like you, because you are independent entrepreneurs trying to do something, and you're doing everything by the day and night to make things work out, make your dreams work out. And someday, I'm sure you will be having a huge team with yourself as well,
Hopefully.
where people would be, yeah, that's what growth is, right? मतलब
Correct.
कि they'll be listening to you. You'll be guiding them on their success journey by being a part of Team AJ,
Correct.
right?
Correct.
So, how does it feel coming to this show? And all of a sudden, when you know, oh, what is happening, it's like you're airdropped over here to the studio today.
Obviously, like I got to know 2 hours before the
हाँ.
entire shoot.
अच्छा कैसे हुआ बताओ क्या हुआ
कैसे
था
हुआ? Okay, so एक just मम्मी आई, she's like, get ready, you have to go for a shoot. I'm like, I was sitting, I was just scrolling Instagram for some time, and I'm like, what? कहाँ जाना है? क्यों जाना है? ये हो क्या रहा है? I was very confused, and I was
हाँ.
like excited at the same time कि चलो, it's a beginning, it's a new start. So I can say it was all mixed emotions. Good,
हाँ,
I'll say.
definitely.
Yeah, definitely.
शूट अच्छा और फिर शूट के बाद पूछा नहीं कौन सा शूट
हाँ, कौन सा शूट है? लाइक ये कौन सा शूट हो रहा है? आई एक्चुअली डिड नॉट हैव दैट इन माइंड कि अभी आप शूट के लिए बुलाओगे, ऐसा कुछ है नहीं है.
हाँ.
तो आई वाज लाइक कि अच्छा ठीक है, शूट चलना तो है. आई वाज वेरी क्या बोलते हैं माइंडलेस कि क्या हो रहा है. मैं
And
घर
then,
में बैठी
oh,
हूँ.
सुदर्शन अंकल के साथ
हाँ, आई वाज लाइक अच्छा, बिकॉज़ आई न्यू कि आप
Yeah, yeah,
Katko
I know you know
podcast,
that one.
right?
वो तो पता ही है.
हाँ, तो I was like, oh, okay, that's nice. Chalo, let's go.
Wonderful. No, no, it's good that you came because see what happens is that looking at you, many people will also take that step in that direction. My main
Correct,
reason for bringing you here is to tell the youth that you can take a decision on your own. आप अपने
correct,
आप कदम ले सकते हो. We'll be discussing about your journey, your life journey, how you got into tarot, how you're helping people, the kind of examples that you can give, that how it helped, certain kind of things, and the wonderful things you sell through your platform, because
right.
those are really, really, really exciting. In fact, I was discussing with your father कि एक काम करते हैं, एक package बनाते हैं, and then let's start selling that. कि, okay, this is your my own tarot wellness box kind of a thing, something like that. Just flying out of the head. The ideas that were
Right.
just flying
Just
out
way
and
too
all.
many ideas all the time.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Always, always. So, Arunima, how do you feel today when you are doing tarot? Did you ever imagine that you would be getting into it? Was it something you decided that you wanted to do, or did you land into it, or you got attracted to it? What made it happen?
So definitely something not planned. Like I
Okay,
didn't even know tarot reading existed. Like
okay,
when I got into this. So it all started in around 2019,
uh-huh.
2018, 2019. It was all just like happened randomly. So mom got in contact with somebody who was a tarot reader or a healer. I don't remember exactly. But yeah, post that I was like, here I am.
Mhm.
I'm just doing it. It was not at all planned. It was all the plan of the universe.
Why did mom meet a tarot healer or reader for you?
Actually, actually, I don't recall because it was 6 years
How old were
ago.
you then?
I was 17, I
17,
guess,
yeah. Well, I
somewhere
think
around
you
that.
were barely out of your illness at that time, right?
Yeah,
You've gone through a very tough time. I know that.
correct, correct.
Why don't you tell something about that if it is fine with you?
I think
Because that
that's.
is an inspiration that people can take from you.
I think I'll just share this much as of now. That I have gone through something for like around 10 years. I can say it's been 13 years now.
Mm.
But it has been life threatening. But I think that I'll just say that no matter what happens, you're not supposed to give up.
Mm.
I have been in that stage of giving up, but yeah, I think I'll
Mm.
not share much. But yeah,
Yeah, yeah, I understand. So I know what it was, and I think hats off to her parents.
yes,
Both Sandeep Jain and Dipali Jain, they're very, very dear friends to me. We were actually neighbors, and we became friends over my pit bulls that I had.
yes,
Yeah, so sorry. So that's how we got in touch and such deep family friends and all that. So you came out of a life-threatening illness and situation and all that, and it was like, I know you had to miss the conventional education. A lot of things happened, and must have been so frustrating for you in that time. You
it
know,
has been. It somewhat.
बिकॉज़ किसी बड़े को समझाना ना आसान है, बच्चे को कैसे समझाओगे? आई
नहीं,
रियली
बड़े लोगों को
वंडर
भी honestly समझाना नहीं
नहीं
आसान है.
किसी को भी मतलब
Unless the person goes through something at least similar, which I hope somebody people don't go through. But yeah, it's not easy to understand.
राइट राइट तो अब कैसा लगता है वंस यू आर आउट ऑफ दैट सिचुएशन एंड नाउ यू आर लुकिंग एट इट दिस वे एक बहुत ही अनकन्वेंशनल सी लाइफ रही है हमारी यू नो इट इज लाइक वन इन अ मिलियन की भी नहीं है वन इन अ बिलियन टाइप ऑफ अ लाइफ है इफ यू आस्क बिकॉज इट इज दैट काइंड ऑफ अ सिचुएशन दैट यू आर इन आई नो
Right.
मेरे को
हाँ.
पता है बिकॉज दीपाली यूज्ड टू कॉल मी Sandeep used to call me. We used to speak. I know that very
Right.
well. And I remember the day Aradha came and she told me because I was out with my dogs and she came and said, Uncle, Uncle, something like this has happened. That was the first time when we were in Sagvi when I got to
हाँ
know
हाँ,
you were so
correct.
little. And that 10-year journey, I think it's like, really amazing. Isko kehte hain grit and determination. If you want to see a figure of determination, it is sitting right in front of you in the form of, Arunima Jain, who withstood all that torture that her body had to take. और उसके बाद she's shining bright and Shine Bright is one of your channels also on Instagram if
Yes.
I'm not wrong. I followed your tarot channel today only. मैंने कहा मैं तो कर रहा हूँ follow. कहते नहीं उसका एक अलग channel बना होगा.
So I have multiple because I'm into multiple things. Not professionally, but
Yeah,
I just have too many hobbies and
yeah,
expensive hobbies.
yeah.
जैसे perfume हो गया.
Yeah, 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 yeah. I keep watching those videos. Yeah,
हाँ,
really
spending a lot
amazing.
on that,
Yeah,
but
yeah.
ठीक है.
Makes a lot of sense. And you actually now look like that tarot person. जो होते हैं ना, you should dress up like that and all that and all that. I think fortune tellers जो होते हैं ना,
Yes, fortune
it
teller.
actually it reflects on you. So I really feel happy when I look at you and I look at you progressing and all that.
Thank you.
It's really good. What is tarot all about? मैंने देखो, if I ask any other professional tarot card readers, they would give me the professional answers and all that. But if I have to ask you, I'm asking you out of total, entire this total blind faith and with no curtains. What is tarot? क्या है? क्या चीज है? बताओ मेरे को जरा.
तो
अगर ऐसा, क्योंकि पता है क्या? There must be many, youth like you who must be yearning to do this.
yes, there is.
कितनों के पेरेंट्स बोले कि कार्ड पकड़ के खेलता रहता है, मतलब क्या है ये, क्या कौन से पत्ते चला रहे हो तुम, and all that, I want that myth to be busted today.
Actually, इसमें एक चीज है, like people not just in India but like worldwide, they don't believe in tarot. Hence, tarot is something very nonsensical, I can say in their term, ठीक है, in other people's term. But once they experience it, then okay, oh, tarot is something really
I have
incredible.
experienced it on a number of occasions, yeah.
So you'll
And it has
understand.
been really, really amazing. Yeah.
So you'll understand, right?
Yeah.
So basically, tarot is something, it's not going to heal you, but it's going to guide you. Now, for example, if you're going through something,
Mind is, I'll just take this one. It is very important. It will not heal, it will guide. It will help you take a decision. क्या मुझे ये करना चाहिए या ये करना चाहिए?
yes,
ठीक है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, अगर आप किसी को पिच कर रहे हैं, क्लाइंट को, आप ये भी पूछ सकते हैं कि मैं इसको इतने का कोड दूं तो ओके हो जाएगा या इतने का कोड. एंड बिलीव मी, भगवान साक्षी है, इट वर्क्स. मैंने ये
yes.
करवाया हुआ है पहले एंड इट वर्कड.
One thing I'll say, I should not maybe, but not every tarot reader out there is genuine,
Yeah.
but not everybody is fake. And
Ah.
tarot reading, like, purely does not work on the cards.
हाँ.
It works on your intuition.
Ah.
Intention, your intuition, and the cards. It's a combined deal. You can't do tarot reading like only with the cards
You said intention, intuition, and
and the cards.
the card.
It's a combination which is required.
Remember, let's call it as ICI. All right, ICI. If you cannot see yourself through that, it has to be as clear as that. It must reflect you. So that is what is a tarot reader's responsibility.
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
Right? So we have a synonym and a nice USP for you where you can say ICI, that is
ICI.
intention, card reading, and intuition. This is very, very, very important. Only then it comes. How can one spot a good tarot reader there? क्योंकि बहुत लोग क्या होता है, बहुत लोग बोलते हैं अरे हाँ देखना देखना सब बेकार है, they talk like that, a lot of people say like that.
Yes.
But believe me, there are palmists who will bloody rip open every shred of your hand and tell you what you are, because I've gone through that. When I was around 14 or 15, that is the time when I started reading palms. I used to do a lot. और मैं 1920 में तो I was like भयंकर in it. And then I left it. It got channelized into something else. But whatever I've said has never gone wrong. एक बार भी झूठ नहीं हुआ. But it happens. But these are true sciences. Yeah.
It's most definitely.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So how does one spot? उससे वो कैसे पता लगेगा?
It's honestly very difficult to do so. What I feel is the best possible way is that you can try out with a very small session. So, for example, whatever I charge for one question versus one topic, right?
Okay.
So you can go ahead and ask just one question and not a very long-term question.
Uh-huh.
So you want to go, for example, a week.
Mhm.
ठीक है कि how is my week going to go?
Mhm.
If that is accurate for you, or even is like 60% accurate for you,
It's good to go.
it's good. If
That-
the person is genuine.
वेरी गुड. बहुत अच्छा जवाब दिया आपने, क्योंकि पता है क्या, ये सब लोगों को बहुत प्रॉब्लम होती होगी इस चीज की कि यार ये सच भी होगा या नहीं, मुझे पता कैसे लगे. और बंदा पैसे ही नहीं खर्चना चाहे देखने के लिए. लेकिन आप एक and how much does this kind of a session cost if somebody has to come to you?
It honestly depends on
I mean,
person
is
to
there a
person.
range or something like that? कि
See, it
minimum
can
तो
be 50 rupees also.
Hmm.
It can be 1,000 rupees also for one question.
Okay. So that's not much, मतलब 1,000 रुपए का trial is not a bad idea to go for. If you आप ऐसे gauge कर सकते हो. देखो, what this young girl is telling us, this young entrepreneur is कि Not every tarot reader is original, but not every tarot reader is fake also. So how do you try it out? Let us not brand people ki no, this doesn't work. Let us try it out. Now, I'll tell you something. You said a beautiful thing and you made me remember my grandmother. I was a very little boy of around, मतलब मैं 5th class, 6th class में था, 10-11 साल का. आज से कंपेयर टू लिटिल ही हुआ. तो मेरे को ना सब्जियां खाने की आदत नहीं थी. आई वुड से नो नो नो, नहीं, हमारे लैंग्वेज में उर्दू बोलते हैं, मतलब मुझे नहीं चाहिए. सो जब भी सर्व करने के लिए आता था मैं हाथ यूं कर देता था. तो माय ग्रैंडमदर सेड समथिंग. सुनो, मैंने कहा, तो आई एम टेलिंग यू द एक्सप्लेनेशन इन हिंदी और इन इंग्लिश व्हाटएवर. कि मैं मना कर दिया ना, मैंने कहा हाँ. कहते हैं मान लो कि वो जब लेके जा रहा था, उसकी कढ़ाई में जो लगा था, उसकी करची में जो लगा था, वो थोड़ा सा तुम्हारे प्लेट में गिर गया. हाँ. कहते तुमने खा लिया. हाँ. वो तुम्हें टेस्टी लगा. मैंने कहा तुम और मांग पाओगे? मैंने कहा नहीं. कहते शर्म आएगी ना मांगने में. मैंने कहा हाँ, क्योंकि मैंने मना कर दिया था. तो
True.
इसीलिए कोई भी चीज हो जीवन में, एक छोटी मात्रा में उसका एक बार प्रयोग करके देखो, उसको मान के देखो. देखो, दो ही चीजें होंगी. या तो आपको एक चीज तो 100% होगी, आपको क्लैरिटी हो जाएगी कि ये करता है काम या नहीं करता. इट वर्क्स और इट डजंट. सिंपल.
Yes,
Right?
true.
इसीलिए, and it doesn't cost much. Yeah, if you go out with a family to a restaurant, in a decent restaurant, 3-star restaurant में भी 4,000 रुपए लग जाएंगे. राइट. उसमें अगर आपको पता लग जाए कि एक हफ्ते में आप 15,000 कमा सकते हो, आई थिंक दैट इज बेटर.
True,
राइट. आई वुड पुट इट दैट वे. तो इसलिए ट्राई करो. आप ट्राई करो, उसके बाद बोलो कि दिस डजंट वर्क. परफेक्ट. फिर आप अपने फेथ पे चलो.
Yes, that's how it should be. But
Yeah.
लोग पहले ही बदनाम कर देते हैं, ये तो
हाँ,
कुछ नहीं होता.
नहीं,
Because
that's
just
not-
because why?
हाँ,
These are cards.
because these are cards.
Or
ये
just
पत्ते
it's
हैं.
your intuition.
नहीं, I don't think
So-
they are just. How did tarots come out to be? ये कहाँ से? What is the journey? Where did it first start?
So,
What's the
tarot
science behind?
reading.
मतलब a part of the science you have told, but where did it begin?
So there is no beginning for tarot reading. It started around the 1500 century.
Okay.
But there is
16th
no
century में.
specific confirmed person कि हाँ यहाँ से शुरू हुआ है.
Oh,
So tarot is a mystery. The cards are
Wow.
mysterious. Tarot is mystery. Cards भी उसके
wonderful.
ऐसे ही होते हैं, बिल्कुल mysterious.
And no wonder, मैं जितने भी tarot professionals से मिला हूँ, they are all mysterious. They all are mysterious. मैं सच बता रहा हूँ. It's like मतलब their look and get-up is very, very mysterious, and simply all women I have met, and mostly I have seen women, they are there into tarot. I hardly
The
have
belief
seen
system is pretty high, comparatively, I'll say.
Acha, and why do you
I
think
feel
so?
because since I've met so many people, like
Ah.
most of my clients are females,
Okay.
and hence I feel that females, have a major connection with the universe, like more.
Yeah. Definitely, they are the givers. They are the life givers. Na, तो वो definitely that angle would definitely go. That is there in the gene. Genealogy में है वो, मैं बोलूँगा वो DNA के अंदर है. Like one of our guests had said about DNA, Mr. Rohit Shah. He had said in one of the episodes, वो DNA में ही है the giving वाला चीज, because women are givers. They are hardcore givers, and males are hardcore providers. कहीं आप सोच रहे हो males are takers? नहीं, providers.
I agree.
उनका काम है प्रोवाइड करना सिचुएशन. लाइक कुछ भी करके निकालो असमंजस में से कहीं पे. आई मीन, कई लोग बोलते हैं कि यू गिव वो जो इंटैंगल हो जाते हैं ना थ्रेड्स, गुंजल पड़ जाता है वगैरह, गिव इट टू अ वुमन, शी विल से इसको इतना करके काट के साइड करके करो. आदमी हो ना वो खोलने बैठ जाएगा.
हाँ, true.
उसका काम है रिजॉल्व करना. ये मैं इसको रिजॉल्व करके मानूंगा. That is the battle at gene level. Anyway, wonderful. So when did you start doing tarot then?
I've been doing this since 5 years.
Since
So
5 years. you do.
2020.
Wow. So would you like to give some kind of cases you handled that came in tarot to you and you solved? You don't need to take the names of the people.
हाँ,
लेकिन
that
आपने
too.
किया क्या था, किस तरीके से क्या हुआ था, and all that.
So more than tarot, I have healing cases.
अच्छा.
And that too, animal healing. More than human
Animal healing.
Uh-huh.
Oh, wonderful.
So I'll take 2 examples. First one is the fishes that we have.
हाँ.
You might have seen the tank.
हाँ.
तो उसमें एक शार्क है ठीक है मतलब वैसे तो 2 है बट दिस वन शार्क जो हमारे साथ कुछ ऐसे 7 इयर्स के अराउंड से है. So there was a time in around 2021 22 ठीक है where she was not about to survive. तो वो बिल्कुल ऐसे float हो रही थी. ठीक है तो she was not about to survive. तो मैंने healing करी and ऐसी healing करी the highest healing which is या तो अब death मिलेगी या उसको she'll get to live. So she got to live after that healing. It took around 5 minutes. 5 minutes में she was like floating and मतलब आराम से swim कर रही है and she's good to go. कभी कुछ हुआ ही नहीं. So that is one case. The second case was again animal का case है. This year only. So there are puppies हमारे घर के नीचे. तो वहाँ पे एक puppy को car accident हो गया था. So I gave healing ये रात की बात है midnight की for around 2-3 hours. तो the puppy stopped crying. उसका pain बहुत कम हो गया था. मतलब फिर वो सुबह देखा she's good to go.
Wonderful.
तो healing is something जो definitely it works but इंसान के ऊपर वर्क करेगी डेफिनेटली अगर उसका विल पावर बहुत स्ट्रांग
विल पावर बहुत स्ट्रांग हो. खुद के जिसके ऊपर कर रहे हो उसका भी होना पड़ेगा. उसका भी तो फेथ हीलर के अंदर भी तो फेथ होना पड़ेगा.
सी आई विल नॉट से कि इट डजंट वर्क. ह्यूमंस के ऊपर इट विल वर्क बट इट विल वर्क स्लोअर देन एनिमल्स बिकॉज ऑफ द बिलीफ सिस्टम. Animals are like हाँ healing कर दो.
अरे animals का belief system is far more superior. You said a wonderful thing. उनका ना they don't have blind faith. They don't have eyes for faith. They only have faith.
Yes.
That's it.
Because हम लोग दिमाग बहुत लगाते हैं.
हाँ हम लोग क्या है कि हम लोग कैलकुलेशन मैथमेटिक्स में घुस जाते हैं उसके परम्यूटेशन कॉम्बिनेशन के अंदर और पहले चले जाते हैं. And that is where everything goes bust. You know, not to question and all that. How do you do healing and how did you? Is tarot taught you healing or was healing a separate journey for you to learn healing?
Healing was a separate journey.
So
but
how did you become a healer? What kind of healing do you do?
I'm a Reiki healer, a master Reiki healer.
Oh, you're a Reiki master. There you see. And nobody needs introduction to Reiki at least.
So just too many symbols, but you know, in like I'll say 50, if there are 50, I use 10. Most healers use like a minimum quantity of symbols because most of them are not required because we are attuned to healing. So the energy sort of, you know, just flows. And in tarot is basically, you know, you're just reading. You're not healing, right? So healing is not required there.
Healing
and you can't
is
do
not
much more.
required. In what all conditions can tarot help?
If you're going through something, it can be anything, career, relationship, health, finances, anything at all. So cards, first we'll see the current situation and what caused it. We can see the cause also. So identify it and then, you know, help out the person. How to go about things, what to do.
cause भी पता लग जाता है उसमें.
हाँ. Because at times, I'll just take a very small example. For example, why aren't you, you know, saving money? What's wrong? You're spending too much. For example, that's the outcome. The cards are saying you're spending too much. You need to control on your expenditure. That's it. That is the root cause of it. At times, it will be very extreme. At times, it will not be extreme. It will be something very small.
You have a box with you of tarot cards that I see.
Yes.
Is there something that we can do on the spot and find out something if I have just say one question that I want to ask you about? Is it possible? हो सकता है. I'm sorry, I do not have a table spread or something like that.
That's all.
Had I known कि ऐसा कुछ होगा, I would have readied something and all.
Yes,
so shall we do that?
Yeah.
Okay. My question would be very simple. You know, the only thing that I would like to ask is, how would our season 5 be accepted by the audience? A very generic question, but it's a very, very, very important one for me.
Right.
Because there's a lot of things that rests on the show, and we are planning our season 6 also. And how would this season be taken by our people, and how will it help? You know, मतलब हमारे चैनल को कितना फायदा पहुंचेगा इससे, हमारे व्यूअर्स को कितना फायदा पहुंचेगा इससे, मैं ये जानना चाहूंगा. Overall outcome of this entire 8 to 10 episodes that we are shooting.
Let's see.
I never keep like this. I keep like this, open, no crosses, open arms.
It's going to go a little slow, like it might not go up to your expectations, and a lot of planning that's going on. There will be a point where you feel, oh God, what's happening? But okay, let's just continue and go ahead with it. And then there will be like a lot of Fruitfulness is what I can say. Like
Wonderful.
growth and all of that. It's just a patch basically that might be
Great, that is awesome.
on the negative side.
देखिए बिना स्ट्रगल के कुछ नहीं मिलता. हम लोग पिछले 4 साल से लगे हुए हैं तो ठीक है.
But
हम
now
लोग
the
कुछ-
outcome is going to be good.
outcome is going to be good. So thank you, viewers. Already I am thanking you because you are going to. That outcome is because of you and the wonderful guests like Arunima who have come over here and to share their journey. So Arunima, if people have to get in touch with you, right? How do they get in touch with you?
So I'm known as Tarot Magician Arunima on Instagram.
Okay,
They
please
can
see
DM
the
me.
band below. Yeah.
So they can just DM.
DM you and all that. Okay.
Yes.
So, and I'll also ask, like, what are the kind of charges that you have so that people know, okay, acha, this is what
Approximate.
approximate,
So it
minimum to a
starts-
maximum or bottom line or something. like
Right. So it starts from around 600
that. Huh.
and it goes up to 2700.
Wonderful. That is so amazing. Kitni amazing baat hai. I also believe you have certain products that are there for sale that you have that you give to people for
Yes.
those who require. Why don't you tell us something about that? And it's really exciting.
So the products are mostly crystals, the ones that I'm wearing.
Okay.
So these are my personal crystals for my good. But yes, for example, this is pyrite bracelet. This is like a money attracting crystal.
Wow.
More, see, it's promoted as a money attracting crystal. It's more of a prosperity attracting crystal. There's
Okay.
a difference.
There's a difference.
Prosperity is for like overall growth in life
Yeah.
and not just money.
You might be earning money, but you might not be happy. Prosperity is happiness included. That is when it is prosperity.
Yes.
और उसके लिए पैसा जरूरी नहीं है. So don't mix it. It is something else.
Yes.
Yeah.
I'll just give an example of, for example, this tiger eye. This is tiger eye, a strength crystal and a confidence boosting crystal. Like I needed it right now. Right. So this and
Don't
also
tell me
for
you wore it
focus.
below before coming.
Yes.
Oh my God.
Because I have faith and it really works. So
Yeah.
I was like, why
So
not?
that is, it's very important. See, अगर आपको खुद के ऊपर विश्वास होगा तभी आप किसी चीज में विश्वास कर पाएंगे. मैं हमेशा ही बोलता हूँ. I told this to a friend healer of mine, Harish Anchan. He heals without medicines and all that. In season 4, he was there. And he said that, people do not have faith. मैंने कहा, Harish, if you have faith in yourself, you will have faith in me. Otherwise, you will not have. Because then you will know that whatever step you are taking is right. मुझे अपने पे विश्वास है, मैं सही कदम ले रहा हूँ ये शो बना के. तो ये शो भी आगे चलेगा. मुझे खुद पे विश्वास नहीं है तो मैं दूसरे पे कहाँ से करूँगा?
Yes,
And
I
the faith
agree.
is that way.
I agree.
Yeah.
So yeah, similarly, I'm wearing more crystals.
All right, wonderful. So these are the things, the products that you give out for sale.
Yes, it's mostly bracelets.
So and for what kind of problems? Let's say आपने बोला prosperity हो गया, strength हो गया, health के लिए भी है.
Focus, health के लिए भी है.
Focus के लिए, because children might require this,
Yes.
exams and all. So
So
is
clear
there an
call.
area you are specializing that way?
So what I would like to is on the prosperity factor.
On the prosperity factor.
Yes, because I want that everybody grows in life.
Yeah.
But I get cases mostly of love relationships.
Love and relationships.
Yes.
मतलब heartbreak and all that. Wow.
Too
Well,
many cases. Like it's like 70% cases of
and what
heartbreak.
is the age group?
16 to 25. And
16 to 25? What the hell are you doing, people? काम करो, आशिकी मत करो भैया.
like majority of them is like 16
Oh
to 25.
God, my goodness. So don't you advise him the way I've just, shown to the camera?
See, I
Yeah.
feel I don't like to judge, obviously.
नहीं,
So I
obviously,
feel that
it can
I'm
happen
nobody to
anyone.
advise you.
Yeah, yeah.
You are in a relationship. I just hope you are happy. That's it. And
Yeah.
I'll help you out. That's it.
That is where intention comes. There you
Yes.
see, it's like being neutral. Your intention is, okay, मुझे help करना है and I want the person to cure. जब हम इस भाव से करते हैं तो वो प्रभु को अर्पित होती है चीज. I once asked my teacher, what is the best way, sir, to make God happy? हमें कैसे पता लगे? He said, do everything honestly.
Yes.
And जो भी काम कर रहे हो, even if I'm making a design, first give it to God. Yeah, made it in your name, भाई. And you
Yes,
help.
true. True.
तो जब आप वो एलिमेंट उस पर डाल देते हो ना तो ऑटोमेटिकली देखो जब इतर पड़ जाता है ना तो खुशबू अपने आप होती है. सिंपल. और इतर तो कॉन्सेंट्रेट होता है, एक मात्र काफी है सब कुछ बदल देने के लिए, राइट? वंडरफुल. ओके, so love, relationships and all, and business and all also you consult.
Everything.
Yeah,
Yes.
yeah.
Everything. A to Z.
Okay,
It's just we
wonderful.
don't talk about life and death.
You don't talk about life and death. Yeah, yeah, yeah. All right, all right. Any particular case in tarot that you would like to share that you have done and you got a good response? You must be having some clients who are long standing also, since you're doing it for 5 years, right?
It's a little difficult to express. But okay, I'll give this one case. So there was this one relationship case mainly.
Mm.
It took around 6 months for me to like. It was like a continuous reading for 6 months because the person was, repeating the readings. So, but yeah, apart from that, like it took good 6 months, but after that, the outcome was positive.
Mhm.
Even though it was through a realization, but it was positive for the person. So, he was just going through so much. And, finally things sort of ended for him, like on a good note, I can say. So I was like, okay, cool.
Wonderful,
That's
great,
good.
wonderful. You helping people, that is the most amazing. I think nothing is more fulfilling. I think no fee can equate that. Ki somebody who's come to you, who's seeking your advice, your help, has been helped.
Yes.
मेरे ख्याल से इससे बढ़ के और कोई फीलिंग हो ही नहीं सकती लाइफ में, मेरे लिए तो कभी नहीं हो सकती एज अ डिजाइनर, एज अ ब्रांडिंग कंसल्टेंट. नो माउंटेन की फी कैन एक्चुअली मेक मी हैप्पी देन सी दैट अ क्लाइंट इज हैप्पी. यार काम बढ़िया हुआ है, प्रोडक्ट चला गया मार्केट में, अच्छा लग रहा है, ओ गॉड, देयर इज नथिंग, बिलीव मी, नथिंग दैट कैन बी डन. उस चीज के लिए हम कहीं भी लेट सकते हैं कि भैया ये काम ऐसे होना चाहिए.
बट उस चक्कर में लोग बहुत यूज कर जाते हैं.
हाँ,
सो
वो
दैट्स
वेल,
अनदर
दैट्स
द
वो तो
डाउनसाइड ऑफ थिंग्स.
डिजाइनर की तो शक्ल पे लिखा होता है यूज एंड थ्रो. सो आई वुड नॉट लाइक टू कमेंट ऑन दैट वन because I know, well, I have a very different. You're my child, so I will not use that terminology. But design is everybody's football. Even for those who don't know how to play with the football, they also love kicking it around. So that's what the design is. तो अगर मैं बोलता हूँ green, तो 50 लोग हैं खड़े बोलेंगे नहीं blue, नहीं grey, नहीं red, and well, the green guy, that is me, has nothing to say because 10 people have other views. Sometimes things are so arbit, it's so abstract. It's not everybody's cup of tea. But then, yeah, you have people who sip and they say,
So just focus on them.
yeah, yeah.
That's
What would you like to say to young people who are practicing tarot or want to become, tarot magicians like you? Where can they seek this education? How can they improve themselves? What can they do for that?
So the first thing I teach tarot.
Arre wah, there we have Professor Arunima Jain now, because she's also a Reiki master, therefore a professor. So you must definitely, and one who has seen life so close quarters, in such close quarters with death and many other things and every hardship that you could ever or never imagine. Yeah, underline over there in italics. Probably you could definitely seek Arunima's guidance to learn tarot. How do you do that? Where do you teach?
So it's like a personal thing right now.
Uh-huh.
It's a one-on-one session
So it's
mostly.
a one-to-one session.
Yes.
All right. So they can get in touch with you again on your Instagram handle,
Yes.
and then you can
Yes.
teach them tarot. How long does it take for one to be adept to it?
So it really depends on the person. A
Okay.
person can learn within a week. A person can learn within a month. The course is around 1
Do you
month.
also scrutiny and tell that no, आपके लिए tarot नहीं है? Do you say that?
Till date, like not too directly, don't want to hurt anybody, but I just sort of say that if you want to give it a shot, you give it a shot. Then you'll get to know if
नहीं
it's
तो
meant
पता
for you
लग
or
जाता है
not.
कि this person can do or this person can't do.
हाँ हाँ, वो intuition आ जाती है.
वो हो जाता है. हाँ, because now 5 साल का expertise है भाई, फिर day in day out 5 साल से एक चीज कर रहे हो तो उतना तो पता लग ही जाएगा definitely, right? Wonderful, great. Anything particular regarding tarot that you would like to share with people? Why people should come to Arunima Jain? We have given enough reasons, but that one thing that you would say why they should seek your guidance.
Okay. I feel that if you just feel the energy, if you just feel the intuition of coming to me, you will come.
Wonderful. I could. Milawa, what an answer. Brilliant answer. If you feel that energy, then do come, and couldn't be put in a better way. Spoken like a true tarot maestro, I would put it that way. But this statement that you've made, it doesn't come out easy. It doesn't come out just like that. It comes out of, I don't know. It takes a lot for such kind of a statement to come out. And you made my heart full with that statement. Thank you so much. So, friends, Arunima Jain for you, tarot magician AJ. You can find her Instagram handle. Do get in touch with her, right? And like I said, the Great Indian Brand Show, we are so happy today to have found a young gun who's raring to go and roaring to set the whole world ablaze with her energy and the predictions and making lives better. Arunima Jain on the Great Indian Brand Show. Thank you to our sponsor, Property Promotions, for having made this wonderful thing possible. I'm so grateful, Arunima, you came over here. I hope you had a great time.
Most
Yeah.
definitely. Thank you for having me over.
थैंक यू एंड जैसा मैं हमेशा बोलता हूँ, साथ देगा इंडिया तभी आगे बढ़ेगा इंडिया। थी वोकल फॉर लोकल होना बहुत ज्यादा जरूरी है। पीपल अराउंड गुड़गांव, वेयर डू यू स्टे? इन गांव, व्हाट इज द सेक्टर यू स्टे इन?
67.
Sector 67, and those flats, what are they called? Ansal
Ansal.
Essentia, right? So she's over there. So people in Ansal Essentia, people in Gurgaon 67, 66, 48, 50, you are near around Arunima. Why don't you get in touch with her, And I'm sure that she will be able to add a lot to your lives and guide you in the right way with the power of tarot and with an innocent help that she offers always. That, okay, if you feel, you do come, and she will only say, "Ki, this is what the cards say." And she has made it very clear, the intention, the intuition, and the card, the ICI. I think it is so fulfilling to see a young gun who's stepping into the world with such great responsibility, coming up with those kind of matured words means a lot. And do get in touch with Arunima. देखते रहिए द ग्रेट इंडियन ब्रांच शो, जहाँ पे ऐसे ऐसे मतलब हस्तियों को हम बुलाते रहेंगे, and you can see a future star in her. I see that definitely. And at the Great Indian Brand Show, like I always said, साथ बढ़ेगा इंडिया, साथ देगा इंडिया तभी आगे बढ़ेगा इंडिया। हम लोग 140 करोड़ की जनता नहीं, नेटवर्क सिस्टम है। एक दूसरे को अगर हेल्प करेंगे, सपोर्ट करेंगे, कोई नहीं रोक सकता। अरुणिमा, आज आपने जीत लिया है भारत का दिल। थैंक यू सो मच। सी यू इन द नेक्स्ट एपिसोड। थैंक यू
Thank
अरुणिमा।
you.
It's rocket launching day, right on, it's time to play. All set, ready to go, far away to the show. Dressed up in silver suit, climbing up the gravity shoes, buckled up to